Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Mac and opening the right utility. Backup critical data with Time Machine or another tool because partition changes can erase files. Once done, make sure you're signed in with an administrator account and plugged into power. Next, open Spotlight, type Disk Utility, and launch it. You do this now because Disk Utility lets you view the Bootcamp partition and the main app's volume. Acting immediately prevents accidental use of the Bootcamp volume during removal. You will remove the Bootcamp partition carefully. First, select the physical disk in Disk Utility and identify the Bootcamp partition, often labeled Bootcamp. If formatted as NTFS, choose Erase to reformat or use the partition tool to remove it. Then select your Mac OS apps container and expand it to reclaim space, or use Restore to merge volumes. Make sure to apply changes and wait for the process to finish. Interrupting resizing can leave the disk in an inconsistent state. You finish by rebooting and verifying Mac OS boots normally, and that free space matches expectations. Once booted, run First Aid in Disk Utility on the internal drive to fix metadata or allocation issues. This ensures the file system is healthy. If Disk Utility fails or the partition won't merge, boot into Mac OS Recovery and use Terminal with Diskutal List and Diskutal Apps Resize Container or Erase commands. These give precise control. If problems persist, restore from your backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.